Hi, welcome to this series of Drupal tutorials, tips and updates. In this series we are going to discuss a lot of things about Drupal, but to start with I'd like to focus on why Drupal is such a big hit. The first and foremost reason is it is not just a CMS as many people tend to categorize it. It is a framework. It is just like Zen framework. Although Zen framework is a pure framework, Drupal is a CMS and a framework. What do I mean by that? A CMS software allows you to deploy a site or a web portal very fast, quickly and easily, and also allow you to manage it with minimal learning curve. However, a framework, by giving you certain conventions and configurations and standards, allows you to extend the platform much beyond what an administrator or a webmaster can do. What do I mean by that? Let us take the user registration form example. When you do a fresh installation of Drupal, you get just two fields. You get the username and email address. Now, with the wonderful Drupal's form alter or hook, what you can do is you can write like 3 or 4 lines of code, and then you can immediately get another couple of, or actually 10 more fields added to the user registration form without actually disturbing the original Drupal registration workflow. Now, I'd like to focus on two very important components of Drupal which make it a very powerful framework. One is the form API and the other one is the hook system. Form API is conventional framework structure where you can add and write your own forms in the code without having to actually write the HTML or a lot of additional hodgepodge. You can just simply write a few array elements and then you can render a form and also handle the submission part of it. In addition to that, what it allows you to do by convention is you can take an existing form and hook into it and alter its rendering, its functionality, its workflow and its submission handling and validation also. So the hook system is like this. Each module at a certain point in time allows you to hook into its workflow and says, hey, is there anybody who wants to do some action at this point in time in this module's execution? If there is any other module that says, yes, I want to do something, it will pass on certain parameters to that and then asks them to do whatever they want to do and then return back the information. So the other module can work on its own, do its work, return back the parameters, and the original module will continue its own workflow. Isn't that wonderful? There's so much. It might seem a very simple example, the user registration example that I was talking about, but the implications are huge. Once you have access to alter an existing form or workflow, there are numerous things that you can do without having to worry about disturbing the original workflow. What does that mean? The biggest benefit is to have easy ability to upgrade whenever there are new releases. Isn't that great? Now, that's it for this introduction video. Please check back this channel to see more updates, tips and tutorials on Drupal. Thanks for watching.